If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform these plain, big Dollar Tree glasses into these lovely, embellished, beautiful glasses, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So today in this video I'm going to be embellishing these 4 wine glasses, and I purchased these from the Dollar Tree and they are a nice big large size. I'm going to be using some red rhinestones, and these are 4mm that I'm using. I'm going to apply the rhinestones with liquid fusion glue. It's supposed to be non-toxic. It has a very light to little smell to it. I'll be using this wax pickup tool and alcohol to wipe off the glass. I like to do that before I even get started. I'm going to dab on a small portion of the liquid fusion, and I just like to go in little sections sometimes. Then what you'll do is you'll just pick up your stone and you'll just place it onto the glass very nice and carefully, and then you'll just try your best to make sure they're all lined up. You do have a few seconds or a little bit of time before it hardens up. So if you're moving on and you see that something is crooked or out of line, you could just go ahead and just move it back carefully to make sure it's as straight as possible. Mine aren't perfect, but I try to make sure it's pretty close and cohesive. So that's what I'm doing here. I recorded this video a few weeks ago, so these glasses I believe were actually Christmas gifts. So these make excellent Christmas gifts, but they also make very nice gifts for people's birthday. These are excellent birthday gifts. These are also excellent wedding gifts and bridal shower gifts. They're just a great gift idea in general, or if it's something that you would like to make for yourself, these are great for that as well. You can make them any color that your heart desires. Now in the past I've made wine glasses and I've colored over them. Now this is completely optional. For a fuller look, you can color over your wine glass stem the same color as the rhinestones that you're going to be using. So I've used a red Sharpie before, and I've also used like maybe some pink paint behind a champagne glass I did, and I loved the way it looked. I couldn't find my red Sharpie, so I just said hey, and I didn't do it, but it still came out very nice. If you don't have liquid fusion or you can't find it, I purchased mine on Amazon, and it's not that cheap. It's about $12 to $13. E6000 is about $3 at Walmart, so you can see the difference there. But E6000 has more multi-purposes other than just glasses. So that's something that I do want to stress to people, that you may not want to, because I used to say never use E6000, throw it away, get rid of it. No, keep it, especially if you're into DIYs, because it's a very strong industrial multi-purpose glue. Just make sure you have your window open or a mask or something on when using it, because it's very toxic. Now this glue has a little hint of a smell, but nowhere near as strong as E6000. But it's a great firm hold, so it is a very good glue. From time to time I do try different glues. I've tried One Dot, not a lot. I've tried Gemtech. They were both good, but it all boils back down to liquid fusion. I kind of do like that the best. It does not work good on shoes at all. I did a pair of Converse with it, patent leather Converse, and my rhinestones came back off, so that was not good. I've also found that having the wine glass upside down, it's a nice way to do this area at the top part. And oh, one of the glasses aren't going to be red. It's actually going to be turquoise. So these are some more turquoisey teal type color rhinestones. They're called zircon blue. And then in this next clip, I'm going to show you how I cut these names out. These are the names of the people the glasses are for. I'm putting some transfer tape on there. I'm taking an old credit card or a gift card and just smoothing that on. And then you just carefully add on the name to the glass. I'm almost finished. I used my Silhouette Cameo cutter to cut out the signed vinyl. I use Oracle 651, I think it's called. Or sometimes I just use some regular old Amazon signed vinyl, and it works just fine as well. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of these wine glasses. I think they're very, very pretty. Most people do like wine, so these are, like I said, always a great gift to give someone. And they don't really take that long. Once you get the hang of it and you just sit there and just kind of bang it out, your first glass may take you 2 hours, I don't know, but I can probably knock it out in about 45 minutes. Each glass, or 30 minutes. It depends on how fast I'm moving, and it also depends on what size rhinestone that you're using. And I do have a link in my description for various rhinestones. I'm not sure if I still have any more of the 4mm red, but I do have the wax pickup tools if you're interested. But thanks, you guys, for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, I greatly appreciate if you give it a thumbs up or share it on Facebook. And hello to my new subscribers. And make sure you guys check out my playlist that I have with these type of videos in them. And also, if you are going to subscribe, be sure to hit that notification bell so that you will be alerted when I upload a new video. Thanks again, you guys. Bye-bye. Check out our website, myroyalradiance.com, where we sell lip gloss, hand sanitizers, shoe charms, and much more. Use my coupon code ROYALBEAUTY10 off for a special discount for my subscribers. Be sure to check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we sell in-waistband gun holsters available in 4 different sizes. We also carry gun cleaning mats and much more. Use my special discount code VIBES, VIBES, for my subscribers. Also, I did start a new Instagram for my YouTube channel. It's at LifeIsAWholeVibe, underscores between each word. Give me a follow if you'd like to. It's a new Instagram. Thanks again. Bye-bye.